Welcome back to Ultraman, and today you just want to play your old Wii with your controller, but the problem is the batteries have died and there's no possible way to play just a single game of Mario Kart. You want to do it so badly, but it seems impossible. You lost all your batteries. Too bad there isn't a way to use your PS4 controller or Xbox One controller on the Nintendo Wii. Is there? Well, yes, there is. And today on Ultraman, I'm going to show you how to hook up your PS4, Xbox One controller, or PS3 controller, Nintendo Switch Pro controller, Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons, etc. on your Nintendo Wii. Okay, in order to do this, you are going to have to buy an adapter, and this is how it looks. It's on Amazon for $40, and it's a PS3/PS4 to Nintendo Switch adapter. Just type in PS4 to Nintendo Switch, and this should pop up. It's made by Brook Accessory. Now, if you just buy this adapter, you can only use your PS4 controller or your PS3 controller, but you have to use the charging cable that came with them. You cannot use them wirelessly. So, if you're just going to use an Xbox One controller or Xbox 360 wired controller, and again in the wired fashion, if you just want to use Xbox controllers, not have any PlayStation stuff, buy the same adapter, but buy Xbox 360 and Xbox One and Nintendo Switch adapter. But if you want to use all of these controllers wirelessly and a whole bunch more, you have to buy this adapter, the PS4 version, and this adapter right here. This costs $20 on Amazon. It's called the Magic NS. Again, it's for Nintendo Switch, and this is what you can use to connect all the controllers wirelessly. Alright, so this connects via Bluetooth to your Wii, and you have to plug it in to a power source. Doesn't matter what it is, but when you first get it out of the box, it's meant for Nintendo Switch, not the Wii. So in order to fix this, you're going to get into a Windows laptop. Can't do a Mac OS. This is just a Chromebook. It's not going to work, but I'm just going to show you. So you have to go to sorry for the screen flickering. This is my Chromebook. It kind of does that on camera, not in real life. BrookAccessory.com. And once you're here, you're just going to go up to Support, Download, and we're just going to go down to Wii U, because it also works in the Wii U. And I believe it is PS3/PS4 to Wii U Classic Edition. It may be the Standard Edition, but I'm pretty sure. Just try this one. That one doesn't work. Try this one. And as you can see, you cannot get it on Mac. You can only get it on PC. Just the manual for it. So you'll download that, plug this into the side of your computer or laptop, whatever it is, and update the firmware on it to work on the Nintendo Wii. But I don't have a Windows laptop to do this on right now, so I just showed it to you on my Chromebook. So it does not work on Mac. It only works on a Windows laptop. Alright, so once you update the firmware on it, you're going to plug it in to a power adapter. Now, you can plug it into the back of your Wii if you want to, or you can plug into a little power adapter that plugs to the wall for USB. I'm just going to plug it into the wall, have an extender on it. So, I'm going to take this and plug it in. Remember, it connects to your Wii wirelessly. It doesn't, hard to do one-handed in a second. Like that. So, you want to make sure this is kind of close to your Wii. Alright, so once you've done that, and got it working, you're going to need to pair it up to your Wii first. So get your controller you're going to use. You have to use a PlayStation controller if you buy this adapter. And we're going to plug in this cable into here. Just plug it up. I can't do this one-handed, so I'm going to grab it back. Okay. And as you see it turn blue, that's because I've already paired it up to this Wii before. When you plug in yours, the light bar, if you're using a PlayStation controller, is going to turn white. So you have to put this adapter into pairing mode, not the controller, the adapter, for it to sync up to your Wii. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed. I'm going to set this right here. Oop, doesn't fall. Alright, so you see it's this green. This is going to turn to flashing green. So you have to push D-pad down and to the left. And also square and X. And this bumper right here. So I'm going to do this. And you hold it. There we go. It's blinking. So you can see. Now, I'm going to take this and I'm going to open up the store, push the sync button on your Wii. Hold this next to it. And it should pair up after a little bit. There it goes. Alright. Now this will turn blue. And if we look up on the TV, you can see it is it's working just like that. And circle select X is back. So I can say I want to go to me circle. And it selects it, and then I can go back to Wii menu circle. Alright, so once you have that, it's paired up, you probably want to do it wirelessly. So you have to unplug your controller and this. Alright, then you're going to take this adapter and plug it into here. I know there's quite a bit of stuff. Once you have this set up, you don't have to do anything with this. This is, as soon as you buy it, just plug it in and it'll work. It should start flashing blue. If it doesn't, you hold on this little black button on the side. Just hold it down. It's going to change colors, and you have to cycle through all the modes. Hold it down, let go. Hold it down, let go till you get to the blue light. And once you got to the blue light, click it, and it's going to start flashing. Now, I'm going to use a PS4 controller for this. I'll show you how to pair up all the controllers. PlayStation 4, hold down the share button, and the PlayStation button. It'll start flashing light. There we go. Paired up. It's working wirelessly. Okay, and now an Xbox One controller. I'm going to turn it on. Press the sync button. Gonna start flashing. Push the sync button here. Again. There we go. And it should they should pair up. A little bit. And if it doesn't, oh, there we go. Oh, oops, okay, there we go. And Xbox One controller, that works. And you can just push these buttons. Alright, so that works. And then the PS3 controller, same thing. But you can't, the way to pair it up, you just have to plug the cable that came with it, charging cable, into here and into here, and push the PlayStation button, and it'll work. As you can see, this one's working. Now both of these controllers, all three of these controllers, are all paired up to this one adapter, but they're all player one. So this one works as player one. This one works player 1 here, and this one works as player 1. So you have to buy 4 of each one of these adapters, and then you can do 4 players. So that would cost quite a bit of money, because that's $60 just for that small setup right there. But it does work, but not on all games. So out of all the games I own, only works in Mario Kart. It has to have that little controller right there. That's the classic controller. That's what it's pretending. That's what the Wii thinks it is. So yeah, it doesn't work. There's a lot of games that works on. Not this one. Such as Super Smash Brothers. It works on that. And I don't think it works on GameCube games. I guess I could try that. And also, the headphone jacks don't work on these controllers. So you might have a headset that you wish you could use it on the Wii, but it doesn't work. So yeah, it's quite expensive, but you can use your all your game controllers that are Bluetooth, or the Xbox 360 wired controller, Nintendo Switch, Joy-Cons, etc. all on the Nintendo Wii. So that's pretty cool. It doesn't work in all games, doesn't work in all apps on the Wii, doesn't work in the Mi app. Actually doesn't work on any of them except games, the home menu, and settings. But it doesn't work in Wii Shop, Internet Channel. I don't think it works. I don't think it works. There might be a couple of them, but not very many. So you're quite limited what you can do with these adapters. Like, you can't control too much of the Nintendo Wii. But, I mean, it's really cool to be able to use the controller like this. I mean, if you don't like the Wiimote, this is a good option for you then, if you want to spend all that money. But vibration works. Motion controls do not work. So, but you know, that's fine. But yeah, I mean, headset doesn't work. But you have to just buy these, get the right firmware on them, and connect it to your Wii, and you can just use your controllers. And if you want to, like fun with your friends, one person can control this stick, and that person can control this stick, and that person can push like the buttons. That means like 4 people can control player 1. That'd be kind of a fun thing to do. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching Ultraman. If you enjoyed, please push a thumbs up and please subscribe. And yeah, I hope this was useful to you. I don't know if anyone will actually ever do this. I've done it. It's quite a bit of stuff, quite a lot of money, but it is cool to use like a controller, like the Xbox One controller on the Wii. It's kind of cool. So yeah, thank you for watching.